Hi guys, today we're going to be showing you guys some slimes, some of my favorite slimes. So like this is very crunchy, and I'm going to be showing you guys some really cool feeling fluffy pink slime. And I'm going to show you guys how to open up this. I only had a bag because I was going to bring it to school. Open it, but I didn't want to. So
look at this.
This is what it looks like.
Shh.
Tony, stop. And this is very cool, crunchy, and soft. So, yeah, first. 1 out of 10, how I rate the feeling is probably like a 7 because it's really soft. Sorry, just ignore the, sound in the background. So it's not really stretchy. Like you could probably put it back. So like it's not the best, but of course it does work. I might add a little bit to my Model Magic because it actually is pink, and my Model Magic's gonna be white. But I want it to be pink or yellow or something like that. So, yeah, a 10.
Oh yeah.
10 out of 10, actually.
Wait,
Actually, a 7 out of, wait, no, 9. Just because it's not really stretchy.
My video.
Stop.
No, it's my video.
Can you go get me some scissors?
No, you don't open.
Okay, so, I'm just gonna open it because he won't give me scissors. I'm about to take my slime away from him. So it's really hard to open. Well, not really hard, but it's hard. Got it. And it's like that, so I pull it. This is not what it feels as hard. I already know. Ow. Okay, I just probably like that and like that and bent. This, I don't know if it's very punchy.
And you know what, guys? And
see the vibration.
And
if you
me
guys see in the camera, my phone's moving.
chicken channel, okay? Bye.
And did you see that? That was probably really cool. Ready?
Yeah. Yeah, it's cute.
This is probably backwards.
Yeah.
Break it.
Break it.
Wait, no. That's backwards, probably. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh. I could probably go to sleep with this. Let's try. Let's see how comfortable this is.
Ready?
Ow.
What you need a doctor?
No. Okay, my hair is stuck. Ow. That hurts. Okay, so that's you can't even poke it because it's that hard.
I have a little bit.
Put it down.
You don't have a leg.
No, Tony. I like it. Like, it's okay. But I think I'm going to add these both together.
Yeah, and me could
Yeah,
add it too. Me need some.
Stop.
Me need some.
And if it's hard after that, mixing, it might need some lotion then. It looks so weird. Look. It's like a big old moon, kind of. Look at it like that.
Oh, do you want to see my back bend over?
No.
And Elena,
That's the moon. That's the moon with pink on it. It's called the Pink Astronaut. Spins around. I need a lotion.
We need a lotion.
I'm going to add some lotion.
Yeah, me too.
because it's really not stretchy.
Yeah, now it's stretchy.
Go add some. Thanks. That's good.
Do some?
Need this to be good. That's astronaut moon slime. Calling this pink astronaut. This is so weird. There's like a big old chunk. Stop it.
Hate it.
I hate you. JK. Oh.
I'm really good at gymnastics.
Elena, I don't care.
Everybody does.
Nobody does. Because it doesn't matter.
Go. Here, you go when I do this.
Ow. It's okay. I think it could use a little bit more lotion if you were able to see, which I didn't even point it.
Look
my
at
pop
my slime.
socket.
This cat is poopy.
It's okay. Don't stop it. I don't care. My brother, who's getting annoying on my
And need
nerves.
some more lotion.
I have only one, which I'm really lucky. It looks good. I probably could use this as a scarf. Down. Oh. It's really not cool. In the comments below, if enough of you guys comment, eat it, then I'll eat it. Okay, that's just gross, but whatever. But you could probably use these as glasses. Music, please. But they blind you instead of dancing. A little bit more. That. Lotion. Pink. Wait, what's this called again? Yeah, it's pink. Warm and cozy. It smells super duper good. Get it everywhere. In. Come on. I'm probably gonna name this video Big Old Moon Slime. Stop it! What did you add?
Lotion.
Go throw that in the garden. One second. Sorry. Yeah, looks the kind of video you could be like, give me your phone, like a selfie stick. But instead, I'd probably use it for making videos. It's my first video in YouTube history. Yeah, subscribe please, because that would like make my day. I've probably this is my first video, and I really want subscribers, literally. Stretch it. Good. I know I kind of go psycho with all this stuff. Make it good. Make it good. Can you win? Can you, Nene?
Is it good now?
No, of course it's not good. Oh, damn. Spinning. Oh gosh, okay, so, thanks for watching.
Thanks for
I will
watching.
probably
Probably.
make, more videos, so, probably gonna fix this up when when I stop the video, because this video is already 9 minutes and 32 seconds long, so changing by every second. Oh yeah, and this also works as stuff for your thing. So don't forget to subscribe, comment if you want me to eat
That's what you did. You gave me your word. By God, I kept it. I don't know who they are.
Just kidding.
I don't even know who's controlling
Mouth
them.
shape.
And that's the way it has to be. Because if something goes wrong, this is crazy.
Follow me on Musically.
No, don't do it.
I needed this to get our people back.
Cool.
You and I are still
Look, it's so soft.
You needed
And remember, oh yeah, one thing that this could also work as.
Come on, hurry
Thanks, guys, and bye.
I have to go pee.